Did you notice that our sentiment score for crypto just tipped at plus 0.18, and momentum is surging at plus 0.60? That's not just a bump, it's a notable shift from our historical baseline. With 20 semantic clusters driving this change, you have a rich landscape to explore. Our API returns detailed sentiment analysis, giving you actionable insights into the emotional pulse of the crypto space. Imagine leveraging this data for your trading algorithms. Adjust your strategies based on real-time sentiment shifts, potentially enhancing your decision-making process. This isn't just a number, it's a signal. If you want to dive deeper into the specifics and harness this data for your projects, check out our documentation at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something impactful together.